I'm Andy Gleadow. I'm a Professor of Earth Sciences at the University of Melbourne. I chair the Science Advisory Council for the Kimberley Foundation Australia. And the Science Advisory Council is a broadly based multidisciplinary group of experts in all sorts of different fields, from archaeology to geology to landscape processes to anthropology, really. We cover a very broad spectrum. And the purpose of the Science Advisory Council is to advise the board on project submissions that are made, to review these, to consider their viability, but much more than that, to actually consider the broad spectrum of research that the Foundation supports, and to look for patterns and coherence within that, and to really guide the overall development of the science program. So every year the Science Advisory Council of the KFA organises a workshop, and it brings together all of the different research groups, all of the different programs and projects that the KFA is supporting, and it gets everybody into one room. What you see in all of this is a remarkably broad program of research in complementary fields where people who maybe 10 or 15 years ago wouldn't have even been talking to each other. Through the efforts of the Kimberley Foundation, these people are now in the same room, getting very excited by the kinds of research that each of the other groups are doing, and they are all getting involved together. And this is really one of the unique outcomes of the kinds of research that the Kimberley Foundation has supported and encouraged. I've been a researcher for over 40 years now, and I have never come across a program like this in my career. When I hear the various presentations we're hearing now on the exciting opportunities ahead, I wish I was a young scientist again. It is just so exciting, the possibilities of what is coming up and the way we're going, and the techniques and the tools we have available now are just amazing. We are able to address questions, answer questions that we simply couldn't do in the past. And the KFA has been at the heart of bringing about this fundamental change in the way that our research is done.